Welcome everyone. I hope you like the addition of the picture-in-picture. I did some experimenting in OBS and realized that that was possible, so I decided to give it a shot for this video. Today we're going to be learning about enhanced assignments in Canvas. Enhanced assignments have been around for about a year, but they received an update about a month or so ago, so I'm going to show you how to turn this feature on in your course if you would like. Why would you want enhanced assignments? This is the new tool that Canvas is using to have students turn assignments in. It is currently optional. At some point in the future, it will probably become the default way to turn assignments in. And also it features a new option called a webcam assignment, which is especially awesome for our elementary users. And that's why you might want to use this option. So let's take a look at how to do this. You can see that I'm in my demo course. I'm going to navigate first to settings. And once I'm in settings, I am going to locate the feature preview option right here, feature preview. And from there, you are looking for assignment enhancements student. And you're going to click the X right here, and then you're going to select enabled. Now you will get the green check mark right there. Once you've done that, you've turned on enhanced assignments, and it's now active in your course. Currently, the only way you can turn this on is at the course level. It is not turned on automatically at the district level. And just a reminder, as always, if you have any questions about this process, there is a printable handout that is located in the description of the video. Okay, let's take a look and see what enhanced assignments look like for a student. I'm going to enter the first assignment right here. And when I do that, you can see that I'm in student view, so I'm seeing what a student sees. I would see my attempt number right here. I would see what progress I have made in terms of the bar graph right here and also the green statement right there. I can add a comment right here. I can also toggle the details of the assignment on or off. I really like that feature. I also can toggle the rubric on or off. I like that feature a lot as well. So it can streamline it if I want it to be streamlined, but it can also expand it if I want to read the rubric as a student. Notice that submit assignment is grayed out. I like that a lot as well because students can't click submit assignment until they've entered something. I think that in the past, maybe that submit assignment confused some students. So let's look at the options right here. Text. If I click text, I have the ability to enter text into the rich content editor, and students can submit an assignment that way. They can also enter any of the other things that can be entered through the rich content editor, not just text, but it's called text entry. Media allows use of the webcam. I love this option, especially for elementary learners, as they can speak their response or give their response verbally as opposed to typing or uploading something. The last option is to upload. The new option here is webcam. I love the webcam option because it literally turns on the webcam on the student device, and the students can then just take a picture of their assignment. Now, they do have to hold it still and that sort of thing, but they don't have to upload something. That is great for our elementary learners. And then under files, you can locate a file in Canvas. Google Apps will probably be going away soon in favor of Google Assignments, so I would steer you toward Google Assignments. That allows you to upload any G Suite file, or allows the students to upload any G Suite file. And then Microsoft Office 365 allows them to upload any Office 365 file they have. They can also click here to upload a file from their computer, which is what I'm going to do for a quick demonstration um, of my submission here. So I'm going to find a quick submission here. I'm just going to submit a picture that I think I have. There we go. And that will be my submission. And now notice I can click submit assignment. So assuming that my assignment is on time, I will get the confetti celebration showing me that I am on time. But notice that I'm not done because it's going to tell me to review my feedback. So we'll look at that in just a moment. But before we do that, I'd like to point out a couple of other things. Notice if I have submitted multiple times, I can view the attempts right here. I can also add a comment to the instructor right here, and I can try again. So if I didn't like that first submission or I submitted the wrong file or something like that, I can click try again. We'll take a look at what this looks like once it's been graded in just a moment. As an instructor, I left and went and graded the assignment, and now I'm back in student view, and let's take a look what this looks like for a student. So I'm going to click right here, and the feedback may pop out automatically. If not, you can select view feedback. It should pop out automatically the first time. So again, a student can click there to see the feedback. They can review, they can see their score right here, and they can try again. Especially if the teacher sends it back to them to resubmit, they will need to do that again. But at that point, I can then go next to go on to the next item, but this allows me to quickly see that I've done everything. I can review the feedback and I can see my score. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you find enhanced assignments useful. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and be sure to check out the printable guide in the video description as well.